Okay, so I'm about 2.5 miles into my hike, and I don't know what the water situation is for the rest of the trail. I'm going to anticipate that it's going to be fairly dry. And while I do have a couple bottles of water with me, I'm going to show you how I filter water so that I make sure that what I'm drinking is clean and I'm not going to get sick from it. The creek that I'm next to looks clean. You can kind of see it right there. It's clear, you can see all the way to the bottom, and you would think that it's probably going to be okay to drink because of that. But I'm actually not that far away from a road, so there's going to be some runoff from that. And in addition to that, this whole area that's out in front of me has lots of buffalo scat and other animal droppings that are probably running off into this. So I don't want to take a chance and drink something that's really dirty and end up getting sick and having to cut my day short and have somebody try to come and find me. So I want to use my filter, which is right here. So this is a Sawyer Squeeze, and you use this in conjunction with a bag, which looks like this. And you fill this up with water from the creek. So this is your dirty water bag. You never drink out of it. And you attach this once it's full to the filter, and then you squeeze it in. So I'll show you how that works right now. So here's the bag. And I'm gonna reach down here. There's a lot of ice on the edge of the water, so I want to be careful not to pull in because it's going to be pretty cold. So you can't really see this, but I've got the front of the bag just kind of in the current and filling it up a little bit. So this is the water that I've got, and I don't know if you can see in there, but there's actually quite a bit of dirt in the water. And I don't, even if this water was perfectly sanitary, I wouldn't want to be drinking that. So now the next step from here is to attach the filter, and you do that just by screwing it to the top, and you can actually drink straight out of this now. So you just take the lid off, and it works like this. And you can get clean water that way. Oh yeah, there's big chunks in there, but you don't get any of them that way. So what I like to do is I take the end of this and I take an empty bottle and I squeeze it into there. So that's how you go about filtering the water. It's called a squeeze because you squeeze the bag and clean water comes out, and that's how that works. So that's how you can, when you're hiking or backpacking, get away with not carrying all of your water. There's a couple other ways that you can filter it. So this is not the only kind of filter. There are pump filters, which work well, but they're a little heavier. You can also boil your water, and you can, there are chemical ways to filter your water as well. So Aquamira drops or chlorine drops or iodine drops will all do the same kind of thing. When I'm done, what I do is I just roll my bag back up, screw the top back on, and then my bag has a little bungee cord attached to it that I will use to kind of keep it from unrolling inside my pack. Just like that. It goes back in. Give that a little shake to get the excess water out. Make sure I put the cap back on, and that goes back in the bag as well, and I'm on my way.